Draw Learning. Hello guys, welcome to Draw Learning channel. Today we are going to draw a delicious strawberry while we learn Spanish. These are the leaves. Leaf in Spanish is HOJA. It's big. Big in Spanish is GRANDE. Now let's draw your seeds. That in Spanish is said, PEPITA. Come on guys, it's looking very good. Now we use a larger marker to highlight our drawing. Marker in Spanish is ROTULADOR. It's time for the question of the day. How do you say strawberry in Spanish? At the end of the chapter, we will know it. Now let's fill the drawing with color. Let's go with the brown. That is said, MARRÓN. Now let's go with the green color. Green in Spanish is VERDE. We use red. Red in Spanish is ROJO. Come on guys, it's looking very good. Let's see if you know the answer. Strawberry in Spanish is FRESA. Fantastic! You have got it right. Very good. If you liked the video and you want to see more, feel free to like and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next drawing.